Okay, today we're going to learn how to fix the top menu bar of your website in Weebly. So you can see, we are on a test Weebly site. Okay, this is a test site. It was made on Weebly. And up on top, you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different menu options. And there's this more here where you have all of the others. Okay, so it's fine, but it's also can be cleaned up a bit. So how do we clean it up? Is by putting the additional more pages into other categories. Like this menu, you've got eat and sip inside these two. If these two weren't under menu, then they'd be here under more. Okay. So like right here, when you click or you hover over menu, you can't click it. It's unclickable. Okay. And not a clickable link or menu tab. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to create a non-clickable menu tab and put other pages inside the unclickable link, which is your main category, and these would be your subcategories. Okay. All right. So inside the Weebly dashboard, you have your toolbars here. You have build, pages, theme, apps. Okay. We're going to be working with pages. And when you click pages, these are all the pages on the site. If you notice, this is a menu page, what we were looking at here. Menu, unclickable. Menu, this is unclickable. I'm going to click it, and it doesn't say it's unclickable, but it is, and I'll show you how to create this and to put subcategories under the main category. Okay, so I'm going to do this. We're going to start by adding a page. We have standard page, blog page, category page, product page, external page, and non-clickable menu. I'm going to click non-clickable menu, and I'm going to call this test menu category. I can hide it in navigation, but we don't want to do that. We want it to show. Okay, so after I've done that, I can hit done, and that is now down here, test menu category. I can go ahead and click it, drag it. I'm going to drag it all the way up here underneath home, and now you see it here as test menu category. Then you have the others, and then you have the more. Okay, again, our goal is to clean up this top menu and get rid of the more and put everything to where it should be so it's nice and clean. Okay, so in the more, you've got events, about, press room, contact. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this menu test 1 and menu test 2 out of more and into test menu category. So all I have to do is here on pages, one at a time, I'll click it and I'll drag it, and you see how it kind of comes over to the right. If it's over on the left, that means it's a full, it's a menu on top. If you bring it over and it's underneath, that's now a subcategory under the main menu, which is a non-clickable link. Same thing here, menu test 2. It's not at the far edge, it's directly under. So now you can see test menu, it's got 1 and 2. Okay, about is in here. About should be on its own. So I'm going to bring about, and I'm going to bring it up over there, and I'm going to see how it's not a sub. It is a full-on category, and so that means it created its own. Okay, if I wanted to make it a subcategory, same thing. I just put it here where it's not a full width. Okay. Now we still have the more up because we have events, press room, contact, banquets. So let's get the event page here, events at Poplar Creek. And let's just go ahead and put events as a subcategory of calendar. So now it's under category. And here we have press room, contact, and banquets. Let's just go ahead and put the banquets. Let's put it in calendar as well. Why not? It's just, we're testing. And if you notice here, I can put it, see it's under here. It's actually not equal to this one. Now this turns into a subcategory of that category. So if you look at here, this par 3 at Poplar Creek, under events, under calendar, events, Poplar Creek, there's the sub, banquets. Yeah, that's if you wanted to do it that way. Let's go back to the more. We got press room and contact. Press room, let's throw it in here as well. Let's even this out. Contact, we'll leave it. So now look, there's no more more. Everything is all just single and organized and more efficient. And then from there, just hit publish. We'll take a look at the front end and watch it all change. There you go. That's it.